Africa. I get message for now. And I don't know how to really put them. But I think I should say it the way it is. You see, despite the problems where they happen for life now, I still see some Africans come on social media posting pictures of their fine, how beautiful they look, how handsome they look, posting their luxurious houses, their expensive cars and jewelries. And I keep asking questions. What set of human being is this? What set of race be this? Ask on a few questions, Africans. And that few questions what I want to ask on, the questions what I want on to consider very serious and bring to your mind. Check them, balance them, and answer within yourselves. One of those questions is this. Very important. One of those questions is this. Who is Bill Gates? Who is Bill Gates? And what is his interest in Africa? One man rising up all the way from America. Even as we know the owners and the creators and the inventors of this pandemic. Can any one man in Africa stand up and make such comments addressing to America or any of these continents? One man in America has stood up and he's telling you how much Africans will die, how dead bodies of Africans will be on the street of Africa. Bill Gates is telling you how you will die, and he keeps saying it to the extent that his wife has come up and they are still saying the same thing. And no Africa is up and ask this question. What is Bill Gates' interest in Africa? Why is Bill Gates so interested in people who go die for Africa? And none of them they ask questions. I know it's obvious on our leaders because they are not my leaders. I cannot be led by some set of animals where we are suits. I cannot be led by some set of animals where we are bada. I know sir, our leaders don't sell us out. Now Chinese doctors are in here. They will soon start coming to your house to vaccinate you. Now my question is this. Does Chinese have the cure for coronavirus? Does Africa have coronavirus? I know some very foolish, hungry Nigerians to this video. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Africans, network bad. I know. Say I fit know they transmit the way it's supposed to be. But I want to send this message across to you, Africans. Stand up now. Rise up against Bill Gates before it gets late. Do you want to Bill Gates? Ask Bill Gates question. What is his interest in Africa? In Africa, our African leaders have sold us out. Nigerian leaders, Nigerian stupid animalistic government have sold us out. For the Chinese to be in Africa, to be in Nigeria, now I'm seeing updates on how far they will be vaccinating people very soon, coming to your houses to vaccinate you. Come to Ajuju, somebody will not get disease, they give an injection, they give an treatment. What are you treating? Who are you vaccinating? They should start the vaccination from Aso Rock. Let them vaccinate all the Fulani people. Let them vaccinate from Jobri al-Sudani to the rest of the motherfucking idiots right there in Aso Rock. They should go and vaccinate them all. Don't let them into your houses. Don't let them into your houses. If any Chinese person comes to your house in the name of vaccination, because this is beyond what we are seeing it to be. This thing don't pass. It don't pass play. Oh, it don't pass play. Make una forget when we post pictures of our fine houses and fine skin, our fine clothes. Use your data well now. To all my African brothers around the globe, I saw a video posted by PDD yesterday. I was so touched. The African Americans are dying of COVID-19. If they pain them, say never they kill us as they plan for here, for Africa. Some people they vex for waiting I they talk. But when they come, because he never reach your house, Abi. If they come, stand up now. Stand up now. I want to ask you a question. Who on earth has the vaccine for COVID-19? Who on earth? Almighty America no get. Round the globe, even China themselves, they no get vaccine for COVID-19. So what are they vaccinating you with? Possibly injecting you with the virus. Myself. Africans, make una wake up. Share this message to your brothers in Cameroon, to your brothers in Chad, to your brothers in Ivory Coast, to your brothers in Senegal, to your brother, all blacks around the world. Bill Gates should be questioned. Bill Gates no big past the whole Africa. Irrespective of how much him get. Bill Gates is not bigger than African continent. Bill Gates no big past Africa. Bill Gates should be questioned. What is his interest in Africa? Why will he keep saying Africans will die? Africans will die. Why do they feel conspiracy? When I know they see something. When I know they see something in Africa, when I know if you wake up, how long gonna go sleep? How long gonna go sleep, Africa? Our youth, stupid fools. Waiting on I go they post now pictures of our fine clothes, stupid slay queens and slay kings. When I no go fit sit down, talk about, let's talk. Use this social media to create influence of change. When I no fit do one. And one man, they very, very serious. They tell on how on our dead bodies will be littered on the streets of Africa. And on they calm. Yes, on our leaders not out. They carry on to the table to be slaughtered. And all of them now, they calm, relax. On be fools. And no man. Anybody when no go stand up and stand up to this now fool. Who is Bill Gates? Africans should question Bill Gates. Please, I'm calling to the notice of some African big celebrities. I heard people like Didier Drogba and Samuel Eto'o. They are really against the French people bringing their vaccine to be tested on Africans. I'm very happy about that. Please, I'm using this medium to call on some more big African people. I beg. All of you all should stand up. Let's save our young generation. These people are not happy about, they are not happy about the fact that, see, we are undermined, we are underestimated, we are abused, we are humiliated, we are insulted. Everything rubbish and trash-like in the world is described to be Africa. To the point that the devil they ask you not to sit down for house so that they go bring the vaccine to on a doorstep, sabi? There are on a Aso Rock hush puppy. I call him Aso Rock hush puppy. He's busy. He has collected money, he and his cabals. Now, they don't invite. What happened to our African doctors? What happened to our Nigerian doctors? Where are they? Our Nigerian doctors don't make thief. And I don't see where it happened before. Where where they make thief, CSO, Chief Security Officer. for area where him people they can't rob, and you think say in people as in the robbery go stop? The same Chinese that created COVID-19, now the same people where wanna they bring to come bring vaccine to wanna. What vaccine? Does China have vaccine for COVID-19? That's the question. And the second question is, does Africans we get COVID-19? Do we have COVID-19 in Africa? I think so. When I've been talk say COVID-19 now Igbo man disease. All the people who wanna talk say we get COVID-19 for Africa, where them audio call punish all of an audio government. Thunder fire all of an audio government. Africans more wanna stand up. Nigerians, you people should stand up now. Nigerians, stand up now. Reject that vaccine. They don't sell on now. Reject that vaccine. They don't sell all of now. Africans as a whole. Africans as a whole. This thing no be time when I go come the post on a fine clothes. I know they interested in on a clothes. Oh. The reason why it concern me, the reason why they chook my out now be say if you they infected, I'm in danger. If you will be my friend, they infected, I'm in danger. That's why I'm interested. I go still tell on again. Who is Bill Gates and what is Bill Gates' interest in Africa? Why will Bill Gates keep making comments and statements that Africans will die and be littered on the streets of Africa, and yet nobody is talking? Come on, I'm gonna stand up ask Bill Gates question. Bill Gates pass Africa? Who is Bill Gates? Is he the president of America? Is Bill Gates the president of Israel? Is he Putin? Is he the president of Russia? Who is he? I know see him for anywhere around the world world power government. In get money, and don't buy our African leaders, possibly. So they want sell on her. Now me and you now be the sacrificial lamb, the experimental specimen, and on a relax, abi when you reach on a domot, on a go know what happen. This small life one I get now, maybe very soon now, and I no go get them. Sure, you understand? I'm gonna stand up now. Now at the time. No fear. Fear. Then tell on say if you die, you go hellfire. Oga, no fear. Fear na the biggest problem we black man get. Now fear they take put inside us, we keep us as we dey. Same people we create disease. Now the same people who our government they bring to come vaccinate on. Una get the disease, make I ask una get the disease where they come vaccinate on. Hi, Chineke na me no mo ye bere. Wake up, Africans. Zoological city, animal kingdom now on a day. Africa na shit hole. This is time to stand up and say no. Any leader will say, make them vaccinate Africa. Very cool. Make una tell that leader to bring in whole household. To the general public. Make the Chinese doctors first vaccinate him and the household. Then we go give them like at least 3 to 6 months. Make we see how the vaccine work for their body. Then if the vaccine work well, we will go take the vaccine. When I no get sense, I dey look all of una dey post. What una dey post for social media? They create social media give una. Then they use and they loot una money. They collect una money, una they buy data. Upon that, una no one still use una head. No say una suppose wake up, abi. Africa. Chai. Africa. How long una go sleep? How long, giant of the world? The original indigenous people of the earth. Life started in Africa. Human race started in Africa. Una no know. They bring on a white Jesus, bring on a white God. To the extent, Oyibo man, they give this back. That's to tell you how much they hate una. Onya ajuru aju, ona aju onwe ya. Kam juke no na aju. Onya ajuru aju, ona aju onwe ya. Person wey they reject himself. They reject una. Una be object of mockery. It is very, very, very bad. Make person resemble waiting then take insult them. very bad. Make person look like wetin dem take insult am. And right now, Africans, to me, una resemble wetin dem